Separate electric model, welfare wheelchair loading effect and operation. Controllable by handling. Remote controller and function introduction. Long press the right button. The motor double linkage is more stable. Emergency anti-pinching. Prevent injuries. Rotate it out of the car or retract it into the car and release the handle to stop. Hidden wheels, saving space in the car. Automatic retractable pedal. The seat reaches the ground and turns on the power switch. Press and hold plus and minus to switch between manual electric modes. Push the joystick to move easily. Mikata wheel. 360 steering possible. The wheelchair uses electromagnetic brakes and can stop even on steep slopes. Wheelchair climbing can reach the standard level of 12. Turn on the wheelchair power switch. The yellow light flashes from top to bottom continuously, indicating manual mode. Long press to shift up and down to switch to electric mode. The yellow light is on for electric mode. Press and hold again to switch to manual mode. Add or subtract 5 gears to adjust the speed. Fastest 5, 6 km per hour. Wheelchair range to 5 km. Wearing lighting function. You won't be afraid to walk at night. USB charging can provide power in emergency. Seat charging port. Charging can be completed at home or in the car. Lithium battery. Charging time for hours. Wearing an electric horn makes traveling safer and more reliable. Joystick 360 rotation. Hidden storage space. Meeting daily travel needs. 3-level adjustable headrest. Meet the different needs of more customers. This button can switch to manual electric mode. Can be used when manual mode of the wheelchair is required. Note: to switch to manual mode, do not turn on the controller if the wheelchair control panel is switched on. This will result in an error message. Correct method: when the handle is not turned on. The red button switches forward to manual mode and backward to electric mode. Switching to manual mode allows the seat to be moved. Click the rear switch to enable electric control at the rear. Front and rear controls cannot be used simultaneously. Push the seat back so that the seat fits perfectly with the device. 3-point seat belt prevents accidental sliding. Long press the left button on the handle to easily get on the car. Super strong load-bearing capacity. Safe load-bearing capacity of 300 caddies. Small and medium-sized commercial vehicles can also be upgraded to avoid collisions. The armrests can be adjusted in 2 levels. Greater flexibility. Electric backrest. Adjustable 165. Ergonomically designed for the most comfortable sitting angle. Electric leg rest. Let your family no longer feel tired on the road. Foldable footrest. Saves space and makes getting on and off the bike more convenient. The wheelchair has ventilation, heating, and massage functions, all of which can be adjusted in 3 levels. Move the handle up and down, optimize the riding space, and suit different body types. After the upgrade, passengers can enjoy maximum comfort during the journey. Door interlock. The button cannot be used after the door is closed. Automatically cut off power after 30 seconds. Open the door to wake up the handle and restore the welfare institution to operation. Support personalized customization solutions. Mingal welfare seats protect the freedom of travel for every person with limited mobility.